All right, we've completed our mockup in the last lesson, and I want to take some time to go over our mockup and find opportunities and places where we can improve it, starting with the text and typography. So I'm going to switch over to a couple of resources that I've included in this lesson. Go ahead and open them up to check them out. I'm just going to quickly go through those resources so you know what you have access to. First of all, if you're trying to use custom fonts in your Figma projects, be sure to again download this font installer right here. So this is only required if you are using the web app. If you have the desktop app and you're using Figma in a desktop app, you don't need to worry about installing this font installer. So Figma itself uses hundreds of fonts accessible on Google Fonts. So if you head on over to fonts.google.com, you'll be able to access a lot of the fonts that are available in Figma, as well as explore some other ones. I'm not sure which fonts are currently on Figma, but I'm sure you'll be able to find that out if you're looking for a specific font. Otherwise, you can definitely download it from either Google Fonts, which is a great resource for finding fonts, or another resource such as the Adobe fonts as well. I believe this one requires a subscription or a membership for the Creative Cloud. So go ahead and check this out as well. You get access to tons of fonts. So yeah, go ahead and browse these resources if you're looking for a custom font. Another cool website I want to mention is fontpair.co. This website gives you a bunch of font pairs that you can use with different kinds of fonts that would look good together in your projects. There's a couple of different fonts here that you can explore and see which one you like and which one you want to use for your own projects. In this lesson, we're going to go ahead and actually apply this font combination or font pair in our application. So you can do one of two things. Either you can head on over to fontpair.co and then download this Rubik and Carla combination font or font pair. Or again, if you go to the resources for the project we were working on, Clean Kangaroo, and head on over to fonts, you'll be able to also download them from here as well and install them. So I'm going to go ahead and just install them myself. Make sure you select all the different weights for that font. In Mac, you can just go ahead and select all of them and then just double click to open and install all of them. And let's do the same for this other font here. Make sure again you select everything. Go ahead and open it up, install, and all done there. All right, so let's head on over to our Figma desktop app. Again, because I'm using the desktop app here, I don't need to install the font installer, but feel free to pause here and go through the font installer and make sure those fonts are applied on the web app as well if you're using the Figma web app.